Welcome to 7634 East Via Delindo, located in the highly sought-after neighborhood of Palo Viento in McCormick Ranch. This exclusive 4-bed, 2.5-bathroom home offers waterfront and golf course views. As you enter the custom front door, you will see an intimate dining room to your left that looks towards a spacious great room and out a wall of sliding glass doors to incredible waterfront. This is indoor and outdoor living at its best. The great room is open to a kitchen with large island, wolf range, SubZero fridge, wine fridge, and Ceasarstone countertops. Everything is newly updated in this 3,040 square foot home. The Thomasville cabinets and crushed granite sinks look onto the retiled pool and hot tub, water, and golf course views. Enjoy the sunset, buy your negative edge pool, or invite your friends and family over for a private boat ride around the Palo Viento Lake. Your ground floor master suite has hand-scraped 7-inch wide plank hardwood flooring. Enjoy the spa-like bathroom and walk-in closet.